Hi, Kevin here with Solar Touch, and we have a couple of new feet that are adjustable to go with our composition mount. This is a railless system. First of all, we have our basic simple foot that goes up and down. You just simply tighten it, the nut on the back side, and that'll hold in place where you need it. And we've put a number of those on the bottom row here. You can see another adjustable foot. This one can actually be adjusted after you put the modules in place. And we've put a couple of those at the top of our sample roof here. The way this works is you simply put this 4.5 millimeter Allen wrench in there, and it'll go between the modules, as you'll see in a minute. And as you turn that up and down, that'll raise the modules. So with both of these, you can actually get about an extra inch in height. So if you've got a dip in your roof, even as deep as an inch, or a hump in your roof as much as an inch, you can use these to straighten that out. As you see here, it really gives you a nice variation in height. And also understand with competitors, a number of our competitors with railless system have a system where they slide in together, but that's going to give you a set height at each interval. This one really takes that out of that. You can get unlimited number of adjustments out of these within an inch. So we've laid out our roof. We typically don't get ahead of ourselves on the layout, but we're not too far along here, so we'll go ahead and put these on and then show you how they work and how they adjust. So here we've put adjustable feet on both ends, and this is our normal 3-inch. So that's where it needs to be level to, because that's where the hump is. So we've put adjustable on those ends. We also, in doing that, realize that we need adjustable here between them. So we're up about ½ inch on each end, and then about a 1/4 inch here. And to do that, we just simply put it close to where that foot's going to go. Backed off the nut, raised it up, and then tightened it. Now that's roughly where that foot's going to go. Once we get our panel on there, we'll be moving it a little bit. But that's how we get use these to get the hump out of the middle of it. Now we'll go ahead and check up above it, get that where it needs to be, and then put these panels on. So we've got this panel in place. We've actually used end clamps on this one. Some of our clients prefer to bolt them on the back of the panel, others prefer the end clamps. So we have these old school end clamps, and we cut those to whatever length you need for the panels. Then we've also put a couple of T-clamps on. This is held in place with this asymmetrical design. We have a video there on our website that shows that in use as well. We have changed it up and put a clip under here instead of the screws, the sharp point set screws that goes through. This is currently being in the process of being tested with UL, revising really our original one. So we've got that on there. Next, we're going to put a new panel on there. I've set my feet for the next one at roughly 39 3/8 from this panel to allow for the 1/4 inch gap between there. And then we'll set this down and show you the next couple of panel on. It's just sitting there loose. I haven't tightened the other T-clamp yet. I'm going to put this on. Before I reach out over that panel, I'm going to just tighten it down on this one. Now that's secure. Tighten this bottom one. My assistant already put on. Then this isn't going anywhere. Reach over. Just tighten that. Now that's ready. That's good for grounding for UL 2703. Then we'll go ahead and put our next one in, and then our next one, and you'll get to see how nice and flat these are. So we got our 4 modules on. After we got them on, we realized we're actually a little bit high on the ends, so we can go back easy enough and lower the ends down and take that height out of the middle of it. Take that height out of the middle of it by simply lowering it down, tightening it up, and go to the other end and do the same thing. Lower it down a little bit. Now it's nice and level across there. Able to take that hump out of the middle of it without too much effort. Got some couple of dips in these middle two panels, and so we're going to demonstrate how we can take these T-clamps out, go down and adjust the height of these, and then put the T-clamps back in so that gets that undulation out of those nozzles. A couple of T-clamps, raise this up and down. Got my Allen wrench on here. Going to go in between the hole there for the bolt, and then I can just raise it up and down as much as I need to. So we're going to go with that, then I'll raise up the next one. We raise this one up as well. Now we've got them both raised up a little bit. Ideally, of course, you've got somebody looking down this, even perhaps a string line to get it to the right height. But get down, we'll check this, and then we'll put those back in, make any adjustments we need to do, and then put those T-clamps back in. So thank you for watching our video. If you want more information about sole attach or just basic mounting feet as well as the adjustable height, please give me a call at 210-748-9492, and we'll get you some pricing as well as visit our website at www.soleattach.com. Again, thank you for your time and have a great day.